started afternoon. So we didn't do a leaving video this morning. It was so windy down in
It's probably windy here
Camino.
too. So.
Yeah, hopefully it won't hurt the
Quality here.
sound.
Well, we're actually in Spain.
Yeah, we crossed over, we caught the bus.
Caught the bus.
The boat from Camino to A Guarda.
Was it a boat or was it a jet boat?
Oh, it was a mad driver. Let's just say that you pay €6 each, and he obviously thinks that just putting over on the boat not
good
worth
enough.
your money, so we'll give you a joyride.
Yeah.
Throw in a joyride for free.
It was a bit of fun.
So it was funny, we laughed, a little bit choppy, so...
Yeah, a little bit more than 2 Ks in under 5 minutes.
Yeah, but it was really good. So we've left Portugal, we're in Spain. We're not sure if it was just because of where the hill is, but it instantly felt a little bit warmer. And then we climbed a hill out of from the bottom of where the dock is. So
yeah,
and now we're just heading to
A Guarda.
Don't judge us. We're calling it a rest day.
Rest day.
Yeah. So excited to be back in Spain. The waymarks are all over the place, and they've got the distance left.
165 Ks to go.
And a half.
Okay.
So Anyway, Bom Camino.
Bom Camino. So we've only just crossed over into Spain, but one thing I've noticed the last week, probably every day you sort of think, oh, that's just so different and it's better than yesterday, which it's a bit hard to do, but it's really good.